antique cars, and I bet you they put a dinosaur right there. But as you can see, they've done a lot over here. Pirates is also a lot of fun. I forgot to say anything about that. See, they cut a ton down right here as well, and everything just looks more trimmed down. It'd be cool if they had a big old dino right there in the middle, but everything else, it's just weird to me how they're putting dinos around over here. Hopefully they also get water running through here again. As you can see, they also cut that down right there. I can see them adding a pretty big sized dino over here. But it's kind of sad now that you can see that whole entire lake. And there's not much space around here for dinos, but it's still pretty interesting to know what they're doing. Like, they can easily add a cool dino scene right there. And they've also took down some of the fence so they can get back here easy. And as it's looking, they don't have any markings down for dinos yet, but I'll keep y'all updated because I'll be back in the park every once in a while. And they did take down this covering thing right here.